Good afternoon. This is again KC2 MXH Javier Salazar. I'm located in Bridgehampton, my QTH in Bridgehampton, New York. It's December 19th, 2009, and it's about 12:29, and we're expecting a big snowstorm, somewhere between 12 to 15 plus inches of snow, and it just started about 15 minutes ago. I'm about to take a hike to Long Pond, which is maybe about a mile and a half. As you can see, the snow is starting to stick to the ground. It's very cold. So again, that's a QTH. This is the railroad, Long Island Railroad trail, which I'm expected to take for about a mile and a half to Long Pond. So snow's starting to fall slightly, but it's supposed to pick up, especially later on this afternoon. So you can see it's cold, it's chilly, it's really cold, and I'm gonna see how the Long Pond looks today. I've been hiking for about 8 minutes from my home. Snow started to come down still. That's Crooked Pond. Where are you looking? I don't think not even a quarter of a mile from my home in Bridgehampton. It's cold. I'm gonna go down this stiff hill. Let's take a look at if it's frozen or not. Let's see if I don't know how slippery this is. I don't think this is probably a good idea. Whoa! No, I don't think this is a good idea. A lot of leaves here. Slippery. Slippery. Okay. Okay, we're doing good. We're doing good. Okay. Alright, it's better now. Definitely not like the Ports Volcano hiking that I did about a year ago, but it's interesting. Yeah, I just came down from there, some 25 feet. Alright, and take a look at the Crooked Pond and see how is it doing, if it's frozen or not. Snow is blowing. I believe it's coming from the northeast. Not much, but it's blowing. It's starting to stick to my clothing, and my gloves, and my jacket, my winter coat, and my shoes are snow. You can see the snow on the leaves. All that white stuff is snow. For those who've never seen snow. Alright, I'm approaching to the edge of Crooked Pond, which is a natural water refuge here. I think it's frozen. Huh, it looks frozen. Yeah, it's frozen. It's frozen. This thing is frozen. Oh my god, it's it's starting to crack. Okay, I'm stepping on the edge. I'm stepping on the edge. This is the edge right here. That's the edge. That's the dirt here, and I could hear the ice crack. I could hear it cracking. I don't know how much. I don't know how deep it is, but it's starting to crack. I can see bubbles underneath. Okay. You can see the surface, it's all, I don't know. What's the worst thing that could happen? Fall through? Well, as you can see, I'm gonna sit down here. Okay, I'm sitting here, and I can see the bottom. I can see the bottom of the lake. It's barely maybe 5-6 inches deep right here. Snow starting to stick. It's very cold. It's probably 30. It's probably 30 Celsius, or maybe a little bit colder than that. I don't know. I'm sorry, not 30 Celsius. 30 Fahrenheit. 0 Celsius or -1 Celsius. Snow starting to come down. Starting to stick on this. It's interesting. I've never seen this frozen. There's gotta be a dark coating on snow. There's gotta be a coating of snow on here. Some I don't know, some quarter of an inch, half a centimeter of snow. I'm gonna see if I could walk a little more away from the edge of the lake. Okay, I'm about 10 to 12 feet away from the edge. I left my camera towed out there, and as you can see, I'm you know, some quite a distance, maybe 3-4 meters away from the edge. I just saw a crack form underneath my legs. So right here there's a crack. Right over there there's a crack right here on the ice. I'm not that deep, maybe 6 inches. I'm gonna see if I can come up a little farther out. Okay. Alright. I'm about 50 feet from the edge. Stepping right in solid ice. I mean, it's not that solid, but it's frozen. And snow started coming down here. This is Crooked Pond in Bridgehampton, Long Island, New York. And again, we're expecting a major blizzard here. 12 to 15 inches of snow, ice. And again, you can see I'm standing on this is solid. I wonder if people will skate here if it's frozen. That's an interesting question. Or I wonder if I could cross over there. There's a small island out there. Out there, the small little island that I would like to cross, but I don't know. I'm definitely not gonna do it today. Not that cold to be frozen. But anyway, I'm gonna go back. And now for the excursions. Whoa, oh, 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 oh! I hear cracks. I hear cracks. Okay, I hear cracks. Okay. I hear cracks. The ice is cracking. So you can see all the distance. Definitely 15 feet from there all the way to here. This is the edge right here. To the towers. I'm just a few feet away from Long Pond. There's the power towers, electric towers, and I'm in a puddle here. You can see how frozen this is. This is a chunk of ice. Some, I don't know, 2 inches thick. This is just how cold, I can tell you how cold it is. This, no, this is a puddle of rainwater stuck here, and I guess the truck must have come over here and it broke everything. So anyway, I've been hiking for almost half hour already, and just a few feet away from Long Pond that is out there. Snow keep coming down. It's still cold. My nose and my chin is, and my cheeks are cold. Really cold. So everything else is nice and warm. This is just a really nice winter coat, the hat. I got long johns on me and a sweatband, so I was not worried about that. I can see no leaves or anything, just few bushes with few leaves. Okay. There's another puddle here. There we go. Let me see if, oh yeah, somebody drove over here. There we go. I broke through. Not much water in there.